When you start a drawing session, your initial working area is called model space. Model space is an area in which you create two-dimensional and three-dimensional entities. By default, model space consists of a single view that fills the screen. If needed, you can create additional views called viewports using the vports command. To select the current one, simply click inside. You can only work in the current viewport, but the created entities also become available in the other viewports. As with AutoCAD, BricsCAD provides an additional work area called paper space. Here you can prepare your drawings for printing by adding annotations, title blocks, and other entities that aren't needed in the model space area. Each drawing has at least one layout where you can have one or more layout viewports. You can create additional viewports using the mview command. In the Properties panel, you can control a viewport's properties, for example, the scale. The model space is accessed by activating a viewport. To do this, double-click inside a viewport. Now we can pan to make the viewport show exactly what's needed. If we use a command now, its result will also show in the model space. For example, we can copy this block. If we change to the model space, the newly copied block is also visible here. While inside the viewport, we can change the layers property independently of the other viewports. Let's make the VP freeze column visible. Now, if we use it on the dimensions layer, you'll see that the dimensions are no longer visible, but only in the current viewport. You can quickly change the current viewport using Ctrl-R. Going back to paper space is done by using the paper space command or double-clicking outside a viewport. Switching between the model space